God, I haven't done this for a while. G'day guys, how you going? Going for a ride. Yeah, I haven't put a video up for a while. Because, to be frank, these ride videos don't get any views. That is sex on wheels. Brand shiny new. Congratulations, Darren. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful day. Coolish 11-degree maximum today. But the sun is shining, which is a little bit of a misleading thing. We all good, Polly?
Yeah, good, mate.
How's the mighty German tractor?
Yeah, good. Still fucking ploughing. Sausages! Round up!
You're a little bit early on that one, Suda.
What?
You're a little bit early on that one.
Well, I'm trying.
You're very trying.
There's no need to be nasty.
What's that thing? Oh, that's that Chinese thing.
Yeah, the moto.
CF Moto.
Yeah, that'd be interesting to bike that 890 KTM.
You're going to buy it, aren't you?
Oh, I don't know. I get all excited.
I know you do. I can tell.
Buy everything.
I know. It's a good thing you got a bloody big shed, fella. That's all I can say.
Another one.
Hey?
I've got to build another one. I was just talking to Dennis this morning to see if there's anybody you can go and see. Just said I want fucking that and I want it there. And just let them do it. So they deal with the council and all that shit, because I don't want to deal with them cunts.
Yeah.
I'd rather pay someone.
And is there anyone?
Yeah, he said sheds down at Sorrel might do it.
Oh, yeah, yep.
But he's not too sure about the slab part of it. So I'll just have to go and ask.
Ah, yeah. Let's go. So today I'm trying out this GoPro USB, genuine USB through door. I realise I've plugged the lead in fine. It's just that little piece there is designed to loop the cable through to keep it a bit tidier and stop it vibrating out, I guess. So I might do that when I get to Orford. But I was hoping it'd fit the Hero 8, because this Hero 8, I need to buy a new battery for it because I had one fail. And the batteries in the 10 just seem to last a lot longer. Beauty, the cars are all going right. Go around the flying suitcase. Another two-wheel suitcase. Go, Dan. just lick your lips coming up through here. It's freaking awesome. Good boy, Dan, good boy. Off you go, son. I didn't give him quite as much space as I normally would. I don't like getting too close to people when they're, you know, coming through the twisties or whatever. They're just, if it goes wrong, it goes horribly wrong, and the last thing you want to be worried about is cannoning into your mate or surprising them. It's a straight bit of road, Dennis. You should be able to overtake a few. Oh, here we go.